Every stone holds potential. Shaped by precision, driven by technology. Biesse Stone Showroom, where the production excellence of GMM technologies and the industrial vision of Biesse become one. From cutting and shaping to edging and finishing, a complete stone manufacturing workflow. Where customers, partners, and industry professionals come together to explore new materials, share ideas, and shape the future of stone processing. A permanent, fully operational environment where innovation is not simply displayed, but demonstrated. Advanced software solutions make every operation simple, intuitive, and seamlessly connected, transforming complexity into productivity. From kitchen countertops to large marble blocks, from furniture and architectural applications to decorative and funerary projects, every challenge can be explored with the right technology, the right process, and the right expertise. A place where innovation is experienced, expertise is shared, and new opportunities take shape. Book your visit today.